What's in there, Dougie? Right, show me what all the bits are. What's that? The poles. And what's that? A big hose. Okay, show us what all the other bits are then. What do we have there? And what else do you get?
That's the old hose.
Yeah, what else do you get?
That.
What's that?
Crevice tool.
Crevice tool. What else have you got there? What's that? A brush. Okay.
You put it on my tablet.
Mhm.
Yeah, look. Look like that. Alright.
That goes like that.
Yeah, like this.
That's awesome.
This is too bad.
Oh, and then you got some Hoover bags, have you?
Yeah, and that's my phone.
That's awesome.
I'm gonna just say that button's screwed.
Yeah, alright, you don't need to get them all out, do you?
I'll write this
Right, put a Henry bag in there.
the button.
Yeah, come on then.
I probably should not because it could be an issue. What does the button look like on this one? Hi, Red.
There's a filter.
Ready, go, Joe.
Told you they don't have one.
Okay. Debate. Should I get this power button or not?
You can't do it.
Yes.
Yes, you can.
See, my friend wants me to decide things that are too difficult to decide on. She just says, yep, don't worry, you'll get to see this room. I'm planning to do a live stream on my birthday, 10:30. You get to all interact with Ricky. You can all go, Josh, Ricky.
There you go, try again.
Yeah,
It's too stiff.
like pretty stuffed. Would it be easy just ripping it off?
You can't.
Just
Alright, don't worry, we'll do it in a minute.
Mom,
You're going to put the new hose on?
that's an old one.
Mhm.
Nice. Yes, I know. I was losing a lot of weight.
Mom.
Which kind of sucks. But I'm going to lose it again soon. Don't fret. Don't fret. Also, I don't know why I'm organising these screws together because I don't really need to. Because basically, I can just sort of look at the screws and go, oh yeah, that's what that
Oh, look!
Wow.
Hooray. Okay, I'll just put that with the rest of the stuff. So, I need to
Nice long hose.
Say hello, Henry.
Hello, Henry.
Hello.
You being good?
Yeah.
What are you
I
doing?
got a new hose.
Wow.
So, I need to remove the headphone jack. Alright.
Wow.
Fold down the display ribbons. And then I need to
It's
pull
shiny.
two screws that are holding this button into place. The button's very good on this one. I'm really happy with it.
Henry's making a broken noise.
That's some crappy button from some used car lot. Actually, are all these iPhones really waste? I think they are, most likely. Oh, I don't even remember the last time Cash offered me an iPhone 4. If I remember ages ago, I'm pretty sure I would have said, nah, you can keep that. I know when I've done previous job loss, the place that I went to up there, they had iPhones 4.
Wow.
Do what you want with them. They're worthless. They are worthless, basically. If you still have 3G in your country, then I guess you are confused, yes. But if you don't have 3G in your country, then this is shit out of luck on that one. Let's have a look. Okay. I have a button. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. The question is, did I break anything? I don't think I did. Now all we have to do is carefully put that into there. Okay. buttons. Thank you, Apple, for being very truly happy with.
Where's the proper kind of
Problems
filter?
have arisen. I think it's tinted at the top. I'm having the same.
Well, it's because it doesn't have a filter, mate.
It's something to do with the button.
Henry's don't have them.
Surgery time. You know what? I've just realised I'm not using the same button. I'm using a different button.
Wow, well done.
Casing. If I don't use this,
Oh dear.
use the one that's actually in this one, I think I'll have no issues. But let me try that real quick.
Brilliant. Well
It's just
done.
black.